Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and I want to ask you, I presented my list of stocks yesterday to you. Did you all go through them? If not, see over here. Nazara 10% up, AWL 2.6% up, Indigo 2.8% up, RBL Bank 2.8% up, Adani Power up by 2%. Except, like Mindtree, LTI, Mastech, which have not given a breakout, though leaving those stocks behind because they have not given a breakout, all the other stocks have done really, really well. So that's the power of your research. That's the power of, selecting your stocks with certain logic. So here what I'm going to talk about today. Before I proceed on, again my request to you people that when you write a comment, please write about what did you learn from the video? What is it that you found interesting? Like, is there something, some takeaway? I have asked you simply one question yesterday. What does Nazara do? Where is this company involved? So, except two people, no one has written. There are 5,000, 6,000 views, and there are only two people writing what Nazara do. So at least write it in the comment box. And also, I would like you also to join us for the live trading. Today we gave a lot of stocks. We gave Venky's in the live market, and it gave a beautiful blast up. This is how we gave Venky's. We entered somewhere around 2377, and it made a high of 2431 in the live market itself. Then we gave Manyavar. We gave Manyavar and we gave it at about 1200, and it made a high of 1252. Then we gave Zomato in the live trading. Zomato. Because today we felt that the market was not very certain. We gave Zomato for a buy. We bought it at 51, and it was locked in upper circuit at 55.5. So those were the stocks. In case you don't know where you hear me, just come to the live trading. Here is the live trading, 2nd August. Go and listen this entire video. You'll be able to see what stocks we gave, at what point we gave, and go through the chat. That's also there. So you will be able to understand what kind of money can be made from the live market. So now I'm presenting you tomorrow's list. The stocks which are on my radar for tomorrow. But going over there, I have some questions in mind, some points, data points to share with you. Let's have a look at what is happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see, there has been call writing happening at all these levels, which is 37,900, 38,000. 38,000 is a very, very strong barrier. Have a look at this point, which is 1,15,000 contracts are already written here, and people are not going away from here. So the expiry is on Thursday, and we stand today on Tuesday. So there is a possibility that Bank Nifty may expire at around 38,000. And if you see, there has been huge put writing that has happened today. Almost like 50% put writing happened today at 37,900. That means Bank Nifty has formed a very strong base at 37,900. So as of now, Bank Nifty looks very, very strong. Have a look at the in the money put option. 55,000 contracts have been written today. So in case you see this number reducing, 1,15,000 contracts going down, you can expect a good move up in Bank Nifty. Similarly, let's have a look into Nifty. What's happening in Nifty? Nifty has stronger resistance at 17,300. Nifty looks to be having much stronger resistance at 17,300, right? And if I look into the put side, there has been a huge support which has been built at the level of 17,300. But the 17,300 is actually it's going to be a very narrow range for Nifty. It looks like that. So now let's come down to today's watch list. So on my radar, first stock that I have is Granules. Granules have been consolidating almost like for almost like 3 weeks now. If it goes above 313, we definitely can expect a target of 21324, and your stop loss could be like somewhere around 300. 1:1 ratio you can expect, and the moment you go in profit, you need to shift your stop loss in the profit zone. Now, when I'm talking about, now I'm going to talk about Balrampur Chini. So Balrampur Chini has a very, very interesting entry at 407. So we can expect a buy above 407 or 408, and it's actually developing for a long period of time. After that, we have Hind Petro. Hind Petro, if you see very, very clearly, it is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So let me just show it to you. First shoulder, then a head, and then a shoulder. Look at, how beautifully a head and shoulder pattern is forming, and I'm going to mark my entry above 250. 250 could be a very strong barrier, but the moment it crosses 250, we definitely can expect a very good move up in this stock. So this is how, Hind Petro looks like, pretty much visible head and shoulder pattern. Then Power Grid, look at the beautiful double bottom. Crossing above this place from where the selling started, 224 or 225, it can lead up to 230 or 233 and so on and so forth. M&M is also looking very good, right? And quite a lot of, auto sectors are looking good. So M&M, TVS Motors. Why TVS Motors? Because see, on this particular day, which is 29th July, it gave a gap up opening, and then it experienced a price rejection from the higher level. Now, last 2 days, that means Monday and Tuesday, there are two inside candles. In case price goes above 953, we can definitely expect fresh breakouts in TVS Motor. And both Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, both of them are looking very good. Have a look at the Bajaj Finserv. Standing at 15,280, crossing 15,300 can lead to about a target of 16,000, 16,500 and 17,000. These targets can be expected. Similarly, Titan is also developing for the past few days, crossing above 2,400, because 2,400 is going to be a strong barrier as many call writers must be active. Similarly, we have a very, very good potential breakout coming up in India Mart. Then Wipro, it's again standing on a very, very strong place. There could be a beautiful breakout coming. India Cement is looking good. Whirlpool is looking good. Axis Bank is looking good. All of them are ready for a breakout. Even Hindalco. Delta Corp is also looking good. Although today was a negative candle, but above 208, we definitely can expect a good breakout. And a stock which is on my radar for a sell, which is 𝐿𝐿, above 555 or 554.5, you can sell. Even Dr. Reddy's looking good for a sell trade. There's a possibility if Dr. Reddy's break this low, which is 4065, we may expect a further drop till about the level of 4,000. So these are my stocks on the radar, and do join me for the live trading every single day. And I'm sure you have made money along with me in the live market. So do join me for the live trading every single day, and the link, or you can get it in the description box. So one more thing, many of you are saying that you don't know, like you're not getting the Telegram channel link. It's right at the top, and when you click it, it'll take you to our channel. So this is the correct Telegram link. Do join us from there, and join us through the GoToWebinar link. You can join it from here also, but there is a little delay. So I don't want that delay to cause you, because you get the stock little later. So 2 stocks for sell, 𝐿𝐿 and Dr. Reddy, and the rest stock on my list are for buy. So let's meet tomorrow in the live market. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow in the live market. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed till yet. Bye-bye. Take care. See you.